Okay, today I'm going to show you some obsolete plastic repair stuff you can do to fix issues on, you know, oddball cars like a 90 yeah, that's a 90, yeah, this is a 90s car. This is a 95 BMW 328 608 5D. No, this is a Mercury Monarch, your Ford Granada. For people that like to smoke cigars, I don't know. It's a car. Anyways, the problem here, these little guys that they used to call speed nuts, I don't know, because they were fast to put on, whatever. That's what the nut looks like. This is what happens. Easily break and stuff. So let me show you where this goes and how I fixed it. So as you can see, they're supposed to stick out like that. But then, of course, they break off. That one's broke off a little too far. The other ones I've already showed you what you do. Well, basically, what's sticking out, you sand them down, cut them down with heat. Do not use clippers or anything that could cause more breakage. You do want to use something that sort of melts it, because it will fix cracks and issues. I'm going to start doing at some point when I can find the stuff to do a series on plastic repair and some of the tricks you can do. You can fix a lot with just a hair dryer or a heat gun. But anyways, here's what I used. Was a Jesse James edition roll-lock wheel on a angle grinder. So yeah, you just do a doohickey like that, and then you're going to, instead of drilling it, you can drill it, but like, see, there's, you're going to need to make a hole in there. And if you're gentle with the drill, do it. Or what I prefer to do, because like I said, it melts stuff together, makes stuff better. And then this is what you're going to end up with, and that is just a sheet metal screw and a fender washer. I should do a history on fender washers. That is how we used to just butcher cars, basically. You take wallow out a hole so you can move the fender out, and then use this oversized washer to hide the hole. So that's why they're called fender washers. It's back when we were pretty much butchering cars. But there you go. That gives you a pretty good idea of what you need to do here. I think you can figure that out. If you can't, I'm sorry. But anyways, there you go. It's one way of dealing with this baloney. So, thank you, and I will see ya.